Hi everybody, Yvonne Henderson with Tahitian Blue Skincare, anti-aging skincare for any age. I get asked frequently about crepey arms, how to stop the aging process on your arms so that you have smooth skin on your arms. Well, there are a few secrets I'm going to share with you today to help stop premature aging on your arms. And that is what I tell all my clients and what I do myself after I cleanse my face and my neck and my décolleté. I take that cleanser and I also use it on my arms, and I go right down my arms and really get a nice lather in my arms. Let it sit there while I shower or bathe, and then I do a rinse off. From there, a secret weapon that you can use that really is beneficial for your arms is our peptide toner. This is really great. It's hydrating. It will not dry your skin out. It doesn't have much of a fragrance at all. And a few mists down your arm really does wonders. It has several peptides in it that cell communicating, really helps build the elastin and the collagen in your arms while hydrating. So you will not feel dried out. This is a toner, so it's not an astringent. It will balance your skin perfectly. Will not dry your skin out. From there, I use one of our Tahitian Blue serums, and today for you I'm going to use our vitamin C serum. I'm going to pick that out for my skin because it's almost the end of May now. If I can pop the top off. It's almost the end of May now, and I'm outside in the morning exercising quite a bit. And I noticed the other day my arms are already starting to turn a little more brown, even though I wear sunscreen. So what I'm going to do is give my arms an extra boost of antioxidants. So this will help fight free radicals from sun exposure, environmental exposure. It's a wonderful serum for not only your face, but you can use it for your arms as well. And I'm just going to squirt just a tiny little bit on there, and you can see it just absorbs into the skin quite nicely, and it feels really nice. Actually, my arm already feels much smoother, softer, and I just love that about this vitamin C serum. After the serum, I will go in, I'll take another, this is also a game changer for your arms, and that is the Emu serum. And I will go in, I can either apply this over the vitamin C serum. My favorite thing to do, because time is usually of an essence with my schedule, is I can take my favorite moisturizer. All of our moisturizers at Tahitian Blue build collagen. So I not only use my moisturizer, my favorite one, although they're all my favorite, on my face and neck and décolleté, but I go down my arms with this moisturizer as well. For you today, I'm going to select the raspberry and red wine moisturizer because, again, I want those extra added antioxidants on my arms. This also is formulated with spinach and other provitamins, so I'm really getting a powerful boost of antioxidants. And you can see it's a pretty pink and has a delicious smell of raspberries, and it's just a wonderful product, and we like pretty things here at Tahitian Blue, as you know. So I'm going to put just a little bit on my arm, and that also, you can see it absorbs in, even though I've already had my cleanser on and my toner and my vitamin C serum. This also absorbs right in. It does not sit and ball up on the top of your skin. Right now my hands, I always have to remember to do that. And then take a little more vitamin E, my Emu serum, and put 1 or 2 or 3 little drops. Clear Emu serum. Has no preservatives in it. The only ingredients in our Emu serum, it's grade A, fully refined. It's a beautiful product. It's fragrance free. High quality Emu serum. The only 2 ingredients in it is emu oil and vitamin E as a preservative. So it's a wonderful quality Emu serum. Be sure to get a quality Emu serum such as this. And you can see that, and I wish you could feel my skin right now, super, super soft, very luxurious. Yeah, it's really a nice way to make your skin feel soft and smooth, but it also looks and feels, or it looks as nice as it feels, as well as stops the arms from creping and getting those fine lines and wrinkles that we try to combat. So this routine here, this regimen, really does help thwart wrinkled skin on your arms, that crepey look on your arms. Go to TahitianBlue.com. Pick your favorite serums, your favorite moisturizers, one that's going to be perfect for your skin type, and this is going to be your secret weapon and your game changer for your arms. You'll have much younger looking arms for a long, long time, giving it a little bit of extra TLC. Go to TahitianBlue.com and pick the products that are perfect for your skin type.